Hey Alexis Love Beauty. So I'm back with the one item that you need to clean up lip gloss messes. I promise you, this is all you need in a towel. Ajax. This cleaning agent right here, this is a powder agent. It works magnificent in bathrooms, kitchens, anywhere you can think of to clean. I love to clean this on the walls and it's just amazing. So what you do, wherever you have a spot at, you want to wet that with a little bit of water, and then you want to sprinkle this on. I like to leave mine sitting for some time, or if I'm in a hurry, I'll just go ahead and just wipe it up real quick. Removes it immediately. This is scratch free. You don't have to worry about it scratching up anything. It's just perfect. Ajax has been out here for a very long time, so this is all you need to clean of your lip gloss messes. When you buy this, after you make the lip gloss, I want you to come back and tell me in the comment section how good this worked for you, honey. It could be a hassle. Lip gloss is very sticky, but baby, this is all you need. This is the #1 tool right here. Period. Alexis loves you. Mwah.